Hey guys, it's me Chris from Kiss Perspective, and today I'll be showing you a simple and easy way to replace the taillights off your 2010 model Ford Escape. The tools you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and your hands. First, you're going to have to open your trunk, and you're only going to need to remove these two screws right here using your Phillips screwdriver. Your next step is to take out your tail light. Now, before you take it out, remember to pull it out straight. And the reason you pull it out straight is because of these two tabs here and here are aligned with these two holes here and here. Next, once you lay your tail light aside, you're going to notice there are two bulbs, the bulb to the brake light and the bulb to the turn light. First, you're going to take the bulb to your brake light and carefully twist it counterclockwise. Once you take it out, you get your bulb to the turn light, you twist it, and you take it out. Now if you're here just to change your bulb, this is how you do it. First, you would take a clean rag or paper towel and you carefully take out the light bulb, just like so. It just pulls straight out. Then you get your new light bulb, just push it straight in until you hear the click, just like so. Now back to replacing the tail light. Once you've taken it out, you get your new one, and you simply do everything in reverse. First, you'll get your light bulbs and put them back in. And before we put them back in, make sure you pay attention to these gaps and the tabs on your light bulb. Make sure that the right size tab fits into the right size gap. Once they align, you simply push down and twist to lock. Then you get your other light and put it in the same way, just like so. Now we're going to put on our brake light. Again, make sure you pay attention to these tabs and put them in the holes. And then you push. And then you get your screws and screw them back into the two holes with your screwdriver. A good tip is to twist it in first. Good enough. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to screw those in later, but remember, if I could do it, you could do it too. Now, if you like my videos, don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
A kid's perspective.
The tools you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and your hands. My shoe came off. Edit that out. Then you get your screws and screw them in with your screwdriver. Oh my God. Oh my God. Once they align, you simply push down. You simply push down and twist to lock. Then you get your brake light, to turn light. Whew.
That's in?
That's it.
So, your old one that your
Our
mom
old
broke?
one? Oh man, how did she do it?
She backed up into the wall, what can I say? Parking in the parking spot. And nice replacement. We got that other one off of eBay, huh?
Here,
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah?
very nice.
Yeah. Cool.